Hello, traders! Today is Tuesday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily, like I've been saying, I think there's a good chance this is an A or maybe a wave 1, because we can't rule out the possibility of this move up being a pullback to this move down, and then I think this made an expanding ABC of B, or possibly a wave 2. That means that we're either in a wave C, which I think a wave C would likely go down to about the 100% Fibonacci extension, which is right around the 1.1600 area, if it really is a wave C, and then it would break to the upside and continue the higher time frame uptrend, or possibly it is a wave 3, and if it is a wave 3, then it would likely just continue to make lower lows, lower highs, which we should better recognize it if it is a wave 3, because we would not identify the end of a trend near one of these key Fibonacci levels where wave C would potentially end. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So if this right here really is the top of a wave B or a wave 2, that means that anything we see to the upside is likely just a pullback within a downtrend. Now that it is going up, that's actually great news for me because I'm not looking for longs. I'm definitely still looking for shorts. So what I do is I throw my Fibonacci on the last structure, which is right up here, and I look at anything I see to the upside is likely just a pullback within a downtrend. So we're using Fibonacci retracement to help us look for areas of resistance where potentially a three-way pullback could end, and it potentially ends up continuing the downtrend, giving us a nice sorting opportunity. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching, and happy trading.